All right, let's move on now. The Zimbabwean musician Hope Masike is making a big name for herself. Hope is not only an Afro-rhythm songstress, but she's also an Imbira playing songbird. How about that? The lady started doing professional music just barely 3 years ago, joining a field that's already filled with many Zimbabwean stars. And we're very privileged today to have her in the studio. Hope.
Yes.
You brought us hope, didn't you? How are you? Welcome to Focus on Africa.
Thank you.
You know, I've been trying to get my head around, the kind of music that we have on this program, because we bring in a lot of diverse artists.
Yes.
How do you define your own music? What do you call it? Because if I was looking for you, I would end up going to that very annoying section they call world music.
Oh,
Yes.
jeez.
How do you define your own music?
It's difficult to define the music, which is why a lot of people then prefer to just call it world music. But what's not world music, really? And it's difficult to define mine in particular because, yes, I play Mbira, but I've been playing around with different genres. I've been trying to push Mbira into new spaces. So I play Mbira with hip-hop this month, and we do a concert on that. Next month, it's Mbira and jazz. The following month, it's Mbira and Sungura. So because I'm playing around with different music styles, really, what do you call it?
How difficult is it to blend the Mbira, which is a very traditional
Yes.
African instrument, with modern forms of music?
It's not difficult at all. It's just that for a long time, tradition has made Mbira remain stuck in traditional music. But it's pretty easy, really. Music has a way of finding its own way. So if you're collaborating with a hip-hop band or with Scandinavian jazz musicians, music has a way of defining itself. If you allow it, it grows into whatever it's meant to grow into. So it's not difficult, really.
A lot of our viewers are interested in the documentation of African music. You compose a tune, it's in your head, you pick up your instrument, and you play it out. What about writing music for the Mbira with a score sheet? Is that something that you do?
Well, I am one of the clever ones. I went to school. I just finished recently this year, actually. And one of the things we were being taught, which is it's one of the important parts of our syllabus now, it's reading and writing music for documentation purposes, of course. And also when you're collaborating with other different people, it's a lot easier when you can read music and when you can transcribe your own music. So I can do a bit of that, which is very important. But also, in today's times, we can document it in many other different ways.
Right.
Record it, and it's stored somewhere.
Well, I'm going to have you grab the Mbira because you might be surprised. There are some people in other parts of the continent around the world who have not had the experience of listening to the beauty of this instrument. But give us a bit of a conversation as you're getting us into it. So
Okay.
what are you going to play for us?
I am going to play one of the common songs from Zimbabwe. It was written by Dumisani Maraire, and it was called Chembere when he wrote it. It was popularized by Chiwoniso Maraire, and we took it and changed it, added a bit of this and that, a bit of jazz, scatting and all that. So now I call it Mushamukadzi. Mushamukadzi is a Shona saying that says a house, a home is made by a happy mother, a happy woman.
Can we hear a bit of your voice? We only have 20 seconds.
20 seconds? Are you serious?